Hello, friends, and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today, we will learn how to use AI to simplify policy documents. So, first of all, make sure that you have ChatGPT on your browser and you are logged in. Over here, as you can see, that I have a complex data protection and privacy policy which is hard to understand. It is so long. So now, in order to understand this in a simple term, I will write the prompt. Please explain the above mentioned policy in simple words and hit enter. You can use another prompt if you want. I am using ChatGPT as my AI agent. If you want, you can also use DeepSeek or Grok. So now over here, ChatGPT has simplified me the complex things which were mentioned in the policy. As you can see over here, the key terms made simple, how and why data is collected, all are explained in simple words. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.